Good afternoon. My name is Peroniel Espina Arias. I am 21 years old. I like watching movies, playing guitar in my free time. I live in Zipaquirá. I live with my parents and my older brother. I study system engineering and plan to study language French. I sleep late and went for a walk and with my family. I plan to go out to know some new place where there is a lot of nature. My hobbies playing video games, reading news, and going to cinema. I'll present your receipt. Let's go. Receipt with milk. Ingredients. 1 cup of rice. 1 milk of milk. Whoa. 5 tablespoons of sugar. Water. 1 tablespoon butter. Cinnamon and nails. First, place input 3 cups of water and rice previously washed. Also add cinnamon, cloves, and tablespoon of butter until the water boils. Should be stirred regularly so that it do not stick. Second, when the rice is almost dry, add the sugar and it so the sugar is reduced. Third, one instantly puts the milk while and boils our milk is reduced a little. Finally, excuse me, raisins are added is desired when serving and accompanied with a piece of bread. Thank you so much and delete the next time. Goodbye.